how would
Rabbi,
you?
I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
On the garlic and onions, you mentioned something about, I missed it. I didn't get the whole thing. You said that if you cut an onion or you cook it in a pan, or even if you wash the pot after the onion or garlic because it's sharp, that you can't, it's still considered unusable even if it's clean.
Correct. Yes.
So would you reiterate that?
Yes. So these sharp foods, so these onions, this garlic or radishes, other things are considered to be sharp foods, and so they're going to absorb the taste. So when, for example, this spaghetti or other potatoes not going to absorb the taste, but the sharp foods are going to absorb the taste, even if you did not use this pot for more than 24 hours. And as we said initially, like if this pot was not used for 24 hours, so there is no problem. So you can cook this spaghetti and with intention to eat with cheese in the meat pot. But if you cook these onions or something like, and then you want to use them with the opposite. For example, you cook them in a meat pan, right? So even the meat pan was not used for past 24 hours, so you cannot use it with the milk now. So that's the thing. And not only sharp foods, but also like sharp objects, sharp implements, right? That your knife. So once you did it for, you use it for a dairy, the knife, so it became dairy forever. You understand? So unless you kosher it, so that's the problem. So try not to use like for dairy separate knife, for a part of another knife, and for meat another knife. But usually people have 10 knives or 50 knives. Okay, but it's proper. Especially be very, very careful with part of food, especially like I would say, as I said, like for a vegetable, for this vegetable, try to have a separate knife, so you can cut tomatoes, potatoes, and onions and garlic, and make sure that they are always going to be part of, not meat, garlic. Okay, got it? Clear?
So that's the main that's the main problem, is that if you cut a garlic with the knife that you use with meat, or let's say you cut garlic with the knife and then you put that garlic in the meat pot, that's a meat garlic. But then if you then use the same knife to cut garlic that you put in dairy, that's prohibited.
Yes, yeah, but let's finish your first example. So when you cut your garlic with a meat knife, because it was used for meat, so you cannot use this garlic with a dairy. You understand? That's the thing. So if you cut this garlic with a meat knife and you use it with a meat, there is no problem. Only with the opposite type of food is an issue. Got it? Any other questions?
Yeah, before? I see. So now if the garlic is cut with the meat knife, it can't be used in the dairy pot.
Correct. With a dairy. Cooked with a dairy or something.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Any other questions? Shall we continue? Go ahead.
Rabbi, I have a question.
Go ahead.
So I think I heard before that like sharp cheddar is considered one of these like sharp foods.
Yeah, we said it today. Yes. Because it's sharp. Like they would use it to show the cheese, right? So you cannot use it for example, you I don't know what you use it. You use it for onions, for example. I don't know what you use it, why you use it, but you use it for onions. That's it. These onions, even this non-benyama, this utensil was not used for 2 weeks, for 6 months. Doesn't matter. It still keeps the status of the dating. So that's the big issue. So be very careful. So if it's you use it for cheese, keep it separately. We're talking about sharp things. So it does not apply, for example, for fork. Okay, but for knife, for sure, it's going to apply.